Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I'm going to show you today how we're able to sell houses online without sometimes even having to show them. So here's a property that we're selling right now, 423 Roosevelt. I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough through our visual 3D tour, which is through Matterport. Gives you a schematic of what the house looks like. So one of the things you can see is we do drone shots on all our listings. So we do professional photography in every room. We do room sizes. We do a good description. We market the heck out of these properties to get as many eyeballs on the property as possible so we can get the most offers on the property that get locked down on the best price for you. So this is standard right here. We do not cut corners and do iPhone pictures, none of that stuff. So just give you a quick walkthrough here of the property as though you're in the property. So as you can see, it's going to load up the schematic. It's a Cape Cod house here. So as though we're walking through the house, you can literally look around, spin the camera around, see what's all around you. That way, it's going to save you time. It's going to save you money. It's going to save you gas money. So you don't have to actually physically come over to the house, take a look at the house. We can go down here to the basement now. Let's go down here. You can see everything in the basement. You can see the walls. You can see the furnace. You can see the water heater. Let's go back up here. This is just one of the things that we do for our clients to generate the best offer so we can get them the most amount of money. So if you guys are interested in learning how we do this, reach out to us, 937-631-5562, or to Tim, 937-207-9272, or Cassie, 937-405-5677, or Matt Taylor, 937-408-1419. We're here. We're looking forward to chatting with you, helping you to get the most money in your pocket. Let's just finish up the tour here really quick. Here's the upstairs of this beautiful Cape Cod. It's still available, as a matter of fact. This is a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath property, and it's got 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 downstairs. And yeah, guys, if we can be of any assistance to you to help you get the most money on your property, let us know. We're here to help. Have a great day. Bye bye.